If the Grammarly floating assistant is getting in the way, distracting you, or covering up part of your screen, the good news is that you can turn it off in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable the floating assistant in Grammarly, whether you're on Windows or Mac, so you can work more comfortably without that pop-up following you around. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, find the Grammarly icon on your computer. If you're using Windows, this is usually in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you're on a Mac, look up in the menu bar at the top right. The Grammarly icon is usually easy to spot once you know where to look. Now hover over the Grammarly icon. When you do that, you should see additional controls appear. Look for the power icon. This is the button that gives you quick control over Grammarly's active behavior. Once you see the power icon, click it. After that, you should see an option that says Turn off Grammarly on current app. This is the setting you want if you only want to hide the floating assistant for the app you're currently using. For example, if Grammarly is blocking you while you're writing in a browser, document editor, or another program, this option lets you turn it off just for that app. If you choose this option, Grammarly will stop showing the floating assistant in that specific program, which is perfect if you want a cleaner workspace without disabling Grammarly completely everywhere. That means you can keep using Grammarly in other apps where you still want the help. If you only need it gone for one session, this is a great temporary fix. And if you later want it back, you can always return to the Grammarly icon and turn it on again. So to recap, locate the Grammarly icon, hover over it, click the power icon, and then select Turn off Grammarly on current app. That's all it takes to disable the floating assistant and reduce distractions while you work. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, app tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.